Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the potentiometer, blade, and panel of your Thermomix TM31. Let's dive into the tools you'll need. For this repair, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you work on a stable surface to avoid any mishaps. First, unplug your Thermomix to ensure safety. Begin by removing the base cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located underneath. Carefully lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or residue you find inside with the soft cloth. This can prevent future issues and ensure optimal performance. Next, locate the potentiometer. It's usually situated near the control panel. Gently disconnect the wires attached to it. If you're unsure about the wiring, take a photo for reference. After this, use the flathead screwdriver to pry out the old potentiometer. Remember to handle it carefully to avoid damaging surrounding components. Now let's install the new potentiometer. Align it with the connectors and push it in gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are secure. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, we'll move on to the blade replacement. Remove the old blade by twisting it counterclockwise. Clean the area where the blade sits thoroughly before installing the new one. Secure the new blade by twisting it clockwise until it's firmly in place. This is crucial for the safety and functionality of your Thermomix. After the blade is in, turn your attention to the control panel. Removing the panel requires unscrewing a few additional screws. Keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once removed, gently disconnect the wires from the old panel. Again, taking a photo can help when reconnecting. Install the new panel by connecting the wires first. Make sure they match the original configuration. Secure the panel back in place with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight and secure to avoid any loose components during operation. Before finishing up, it's a good practice to perform a final cleaning of the internal area. This not only enhances the appearance but also contributes to the longevity of your appliance. Once everything is in place, reattach the base cover, screwing it back with the Phillips screwdriver. Now, plug in your Thermomix and conduct a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. In case you encounter any issues or prefer assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs without any hidden fees. If you need further help, don't hesitate to reach out. Your Thermomix TM31 should be back in action, ready to create delicious meals again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.